Good morning, boys and girls. Today's Day 2 ELA lesson, Nonfiction versus Fiction, is for all of the first graders at Bethune Elementary School. Our objective for today is to be able to explain major differences between books that tell stories and books that give information. Our I can statement reads, I can identify the difference between fiction and nonfiction texts. First, let's review our anchor chart, fiction versus nonfiction. On yesterday, we said that fiction stories are not real. They have characters, they are made up, they have a setting that tells when and where the story takes place, they have a beginning, middle, and end, a problem and resolution, and illustrations. Here's an example of a fiction book, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Next, we have nonfiction books. Nonfiction books are real and true. They give information, they teach us about the world, and they have text features like a heading, captions, page numbers, and they use real pictures. And here's an example of a nonfiction book entitled Bears in Their Dens. Now, today, boys and girls, we will be reading a nonfiction book entitled Pigs by Emily K. Green. Remember, in nonfiction books, everything is based on real information. Real information or true information is information that is not fake. Nonfiction books also have various text features. As we're reading our book today, I would like for you to listen and to try and identify the different types of text features that we will notice in our story today. Pigs. Now, if we look on this page, boys and girls, we see the table of contents. The table of contents help readers find where something is in the text. Let's read Pigs on a Farm, page 4, Parts of a Pig, page 8, What Pigs Eat, page 12, Pigs Keep Cool, page 18, Glossary, page 22, To learn more, page 23, and our index will be on page 24. It reads, pigs can live on a farm. And here we see that the nonfiction book is using pictures of a real pig, a pig that lives on a farm. A sow is a mother pig. A piglet is a young pig. If you look right here, you see the mother pig, which is called a sow, and the piglet, which is the baby pig. Pigs have a short, curly tail. Here's a picture. Pigs have a flat nose called a snout. Oh, let's look, boys and girls. We see a word that is in bold print. This means that this word must be very important, snout. If we look on this page, our diagram is labeling the pig's nose, which is his snout. Pigs eat many things. They can eat plants or meat. Farmers can also buy special pig food. And here's an example of the pig eating its food. Some pigs are pink, but pigs can be other colors too. Well, let's take a look, boys and girls. Let's see, what other colors can pigs be? Oh, wow, look, we see so many different types of pigs in different colors. We are learning so many new facts about pigs. Short, stiff hair covers a pig's body. Oh, and here's another picture of a pig. A pig can get a sunburn just like you can. Pigs need shade on sunny days. Pigs roll in the mud to keep cool. Ah. And here we can see a photograph of a pig rolling in the mud. Now we have our glossary. A glossary is a place with a definition of words. It tells us the meaning. For example, piglet, a baby pig. Snout, the long flat nose of a pig. Pig use their noses to dig for roots in the ground. Sow, an adult female pig. Sunburn, sore red skin that happens after you have been in the sun for too long. And on our last page, we have the index. The index shows the reader what page to find a certain topic on. For example, if I want to know more about a piglet, I would turn to page 6. If I wanted to learn more about the form, page 4, want to learn about a pig's snout, I would turn to page 10. Well, boys and girls, that's the end of our story. I hope you enjoyed learning and reading about pigs today. Now, boys and girls, let's do a quick review. Today, we continue to learn about how to identify the various text features using our story Pigs. And we learned today that Pigs was a nonfiction story because it used lots of real photographs. It had a table of contents. We saw a glossary. We saw an index. It had bold print words. And also, we learned lots and lots of new things about things that were real. Now, boys and girls, I would like for you to click on the link below this video and fill out your Microsoft form to answer the questions about nonfiction text features and submit the form back to your teacher.